This is a 2013 Mercedes-Benz E350. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium 2 package, a sunroof, a low-tire pressure indicator, a front and rear multi-link suspension, the pre-safe collision mitigation system, and night view assist with pedestrian detection. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a toolkit, front multi-stage airbags, ISOFIX child safety seat anchors, a first aid kit, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 14,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.